color area. For cadet girls advance, bantamweight, Christine Mudo, floor 10, blue armor versus Andrea Adriano, Antipolo City, red. For featherweight, Winmay de la Serna, floor 10, blue armor versus Alisa Adriano, Antipolo City, TK Club, red. For lightweight, Ariza Zapata, Antipolo City, blue armor versus Jane Pongian of RPTC, red. For welterweight, Lady Ann Palermo of Rizal High, blue armor versus Aileen Santos, Antipolo City, red. JDL Capderan of RPTC, blue versus Noeli Mendoza of Antipolo City, red. Linus Estenzo, Antipolo City, blue versus Jehar Abedin, Mike's red. And Mike's Dream, red. Again, for middleweight, Linus Estenzo, Antipolo City, blue versus Jehar Abedin of Mike's Dream, red. Proceed to the inspection area now.